The Caspian Sea Monster, Russia's forgotten wonder weapon. Meet the Caspian Sea Monster, Russia's secret Cold War weapon you've probably never heard of. Officially called the KM Ekranoplan, this beast wasn't a plane or a boat. It flew just meters above the water using ground effect, making it invisible to radar. At over 300 tons and nearly 100 meters long, it could reach 500 kilometers per hour, big enough to carry missiles or troops across the Caspian Sea in record time. NATO? They freaked out, nicknaming it the Caspian Sea Monster. But despite the hype, the project was abandoned. Today, only wreckage remains, a haunting reminder of Soviet engineering ambition. Forgotten failure or futuristic genius? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more insane military history in 60 seconds.